if you're thinking about downloading TotalAV, hold up for a second because you'll want to hear the full story before you make a decision. I've tested it out myself and there's a lot that I wish I knew before. So stick around because this might actually save you some time and help you decide if it's worth it for you. And if you do decide to try it, you could go ahead and get the best deal with up to $80 off using the link in the description below, or just scan the QR code on screen to get it right now. So here's how I ended up trying TotalAV. I had my fair share of antivirus headaches over the years. Most of the ones I've tried either tanked my system's performance or kept throwing up alerts that made me feel more stressed than secure. I got to a point where I was actively avoiding antivirus softwares just to keep my computer usable. But then I saw a promotion for TotalAV that offered a big discount for the first year. It seemed a good way to try something that could actually work without draining my laptop's battery or maxing out my CPU. Getting started with TotalAV was pretty smooth. All I needed to do was download the installer, run it, and within a few minutes, it was fully set up. What I noticed right away was that my laptop didn't slow down at all. No fan noise, no weird lag, just a clean install. And I was already feeling pretty good about it. Once I was looking at the dashboard, I could tell the layout had been designed with regular users in mind. Everything was easy to understand and I wasn't buried under settings or menus I never touched. I ran a quick scan just to test it out. I liked that it showed which files were being checked in real time. It also gave me a progress bar, which seems like a small thing, but it really helps when you just want to know how long it's gonna take. As I kept using it, I started to realize how much TotalAV packs into that initial price. You get real-time protection running quietly in the background, a built-in VPN, anti-siphoning tools, a password manager, and even a few system performance features like junk file cleanup and startup optimization. It's not just a scanner that runs every so often. It's a full package that actually tries to keep your device running better over time. When I tested it with some dummy malware files, it caught everything right away. And during regular browsing, the Web Shield feature stepped in to block sketchy websites right away. It even warned me about certain sites that had been tied to data leaks, which was useful extra I didn't expect. The VPN turned out to be more useful than I thought too. I don't use public Wi-Fi often, but when I do, I like knowing my connection is protected. The VPN connected quickly, it didn't tank my speed, and gave me a little extra peace of mind when logging into my accounts on open networks. The password manager was simple, but it worked. And I'm not the kind of person who wants a super advanced vault with layers of options. I just want something to save my logins and help keep them secure. And that's what I got. Even after running scans, the program would suggest some cleanup tips that actually helped my system feel a bit snappier. Now, with all that said, there were still a couple things that bugged me. The first year's price is great, but once that year is up, the renewal cost jumps quite a bit. It's the kind of thing you want to mark on your calendar just so you're not caught off guard. And not every feature is included in the base plan. Some tools are only available if you upgrade, and you might run into a few prompts nudging you to check those out. It's not aggressive, but it could be a little annoying. So, who is TotalAV actually a good fit for? I'd say it's perfect for someone who wants to install it and have peace of mind right away without dealing with a complicated setup. If you're not super tech savvy or you just want something that runs across your device without needing constant attention, TotalAV is a really solid option. It works on Windows, Mac, Android, and iPhone, and you don't have to jump through hoops to keep everything synced up. It's also great if you're on a tighter budget or just want to avoid overpaying stuff you'll never use. If you want to give it a try for yourself, don't forget that you could get up to $80 off using the link in the description below, or you could just scan the QR code on screen right here. Honestly, just for peace of mind and the system speed improvements, TotalAV has been worth it for me.